Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be finishing up a little thing I've been doing on Instagram with the 4 seasons of the year. In Michigan, we feel the 4 seasons pretty hard here. So I ended up doing it was one look that was supposed to just be fall, you know, colors and all that stuff. And it ended up, I enjoyed it so much, I ended up doing a 4-part kind of thing with all the seasons. And today is my last day. Today is day 4. And so I will be doing spring avant-garde makeup. So if you guys want to see that, if you want to see what kind of creation I come up with, keep on watching. And if you want to see all the other seasons that I have done, I think I did fall, winter, and then summer. So if you want to check those out, go ahead and hop on over to my Instagram. I will put my social links down below. Alright, without further damn ado, let's get this on. To start this look off, I'm going to go ahead and do a very pretty purple eye. It's not going to be too complicated, so go ahead and just follow along, and then we'll get into the real magic. So eyes are ready to go, and I'm going to be using these 2 palettes from Rimmel. They are the Magnifies Electric Violet Edition and Magnifies Crimson Edition. So we got some pinks and we got some purples. They're very pretty, not like the best eyeshadows in the world, but certainly not the worst. But we can make it work. First, we're going to pack on some purple. I'm going to take a little tiny little blending brush and just like barely blending that line a little bit. Now I'm going to take that same brush and go in with the lightest pink shade in this palette. And basically I'm going to pack my brush up, and then I'm going to swirl it off in my hand. So I have basically the leftovers. Now this is another way of adding a transition color without having to lose the color of your base, like the purple color. Sometimes when you use transition shades, it can kind of dull it down, and then you have to keep going back in and back in and back in. So this way, it's just another way to do it. Alright, now to add a little bit of pizzazz, if you will, I'm actually going to be adding a very pretty teal that is in this violet collection. So sometimes when you do these looks, you're like, oh my gosh, how is this going to turn out? Okay guys, so we are gonna get out this makeup wipe and we're gonna sharpen up these lines real quick. It's the easiest, fastest way, cheapest way too. Don't waste your concealer, y'all. Don't do it. You get an A+. The eyes are done for now, and so we're gonna go ahead and put our paint on, and then after that we are going to finish up the eyes. So just bear with me and let's get going. So I do not have a purple paint, but I do have the Wet n Wild paint sets, and so I'm gonna mix the pink and the blue and hope it comes out a really cool purple. How do you guys like to apply your paints? Please share below. This has definitely been a trial and error. Easier to use the paintbrush to get into the hairline and then do like the blending. You're done with that part. Trial and error, you guys. Learn it here first.
Oh, yes, she's feeling so
Okay, so now I'm going to take just the pink. Basically do the same thing with the blue that I did with the pink, just on the outside. Alright, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and the brightest pink in this Rimmel palette. The lightest and the brightest pink. and hoping it will, yes. It's a nice little baby pink. And then going in with a smaller brush and attempting to put some purple back into this eye. Feeling very colorful, you guys. Guys, just smoothing out all my creases, and we're gonna go ahead and set our face. Alright y'all, now that I'm all mattified and smooth and not sticky anymore, I am gonna go eat me some yummy, yummy food from Jimmy John's, and I'll be right back. So, thank goodness you guys won't be able to smell my breath after. Add a little bit of detailing to this look. Okay, we're moving on to some highlight.
Yes, yes, yes.
Alright, let's see how this looks. Cute. Okay. Spring is starting to feel sprung. I'm going to add a couple of white freckles. Alright you guys, we're going to throw on a little bit of mascara, and then we're going to do some falsies that I believe are Wet n Wild. Let me see, let me confirm this. No, these are just Halloween lashes that I got from Walmart. They're called Brightening Lashes in Shimmering. They're $2.98. They got some like, what do you call that, glitter, I guess. We're going to try them out and see if they look cute. If they don't, then I'll just take them off and put like regular falsies on. Alright you guys, we got our lashes on and they are sparkly. So I'm going to just touch up my waterline with that pink real quickly. Okay, got the torturous parts are done. We need some lippity doodahs before we do our finishing touch. You're probably thinking, one does not go with the other. Don't worry, I know. We're putting a purpley shimmer over top. And then going in with the purple shade from the palette I've been using all day. And using that pink highlighter blush that we were using. We are also going to be adding a little bit of this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. It's like their Zodiac kind of line, I guess you would call it. Alright guys, we gotta do a little bit of glitter spray and a little bit of accessories for the hair. And I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Alright you guys, final look is done. I hope you guys like it. I went outside, got me some little sticks, and then I got some little fake grass over here that I threw in there. So I did my little spray glitter, and I just can't get any more colorful or any more glittery or any more spring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have had so much fun this month just creating my own looks and also, you know, getting inspired from other people and kind of turning it into my own ideas. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos that are still to come and the ones that I've already done. So don't forget to like, subscribe, do all those cool things. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when I upload. If you don't want to be notified, I upload every Tuesday and Friday. So I'll see you next time. Bye!